is a culmination of a lot of work over the last few years with the ambition and the aim of increasing engagement of our colleagues and giving colleagues the skills, knowledge and experience in a really practical and fun way.
The Academy collects a number of things together. So it is the physical space where people can experience learning and skill themselves, and it's that experiential place where people can really immerse themselves in different experiences like VR, like AI agents.
We're trying to get people to understand how to deliver a great customer experience. The way we were trying to do that was through a PowerPoint. So we're really lacking that emotional connection. The idea is how can we create that experience and immersive understanding of what it's like to be a customer. So we take our colleagues and put them in the customer's shoes.
Motorcombs is our starting point. What will happen as we start to kind of move forward is that we will have a collection of academies.
There's a digital front door where you can basically go in and say, this is where I am now, access your career framework, access skills associated with your career framework, and then all of the material that can support you with building those skills all in one place. Really personalised to you, exactly what you need at the right place at the right time in your career.
We can start helping people to understand how their career might go off on a different path to the one that they think it has to go on at the moment. So academies, as we build them, will connect and will be accessible to anyone, anywhere to explore anything.
We have plans to launch more throughout 2026 and into 2027 to bring forward different learning experiences using technology to power our learning.